We are an endangered species, you and I. We, lovers of speed. We, devotees of power, performance, and noise. Go away, we are told, and take your carbon fibre and your fire-spitting V12s with you. There's hardly a place for us out here anymore. You and I are being squeezed out, pushed aside, and hunted down at every hairpin turn.
What's up, y'all? So last night we checked out John's garage.
What's up? Welcome to the lab.
Welcome to the lab.
Yeah, stock booster. Yeah, so when you run, most of the time on your master cylinders, you got two ports. The one closest to the brake booster is always going to be your front brakes, and then the one to the rear is always going to be your secondary rear brakes. There's because I swept it and the tires hit the frame rail. So I'm definitely going to need to do space run. And like when we took it down like super conservatively. Like everything was basically they just had to put in like a couple bolts and everything was back in. So what's up? Welcome to the lab.
Welcome to the lab.
Sheesh.
It changed your life, John? Lottery changed your life?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Fuck yeah, dude.
Sheesh.